Everyone, we have lots and lots and lots of Monster Truck toys. There's Monster Jam playsets and lots of remote control Monster Jam cars. We're going to be taking these Monster Jam cars outside and having loads of fun racing them around with our four-wheeler. It's incredible and I cannot wait to get started. So let's look at all of these cool toys. The first toy I'm going to show you today is Megalodon. And this is our remote control Megalodon. And he's going to try and go up the ramp. Do you think he can make it?
Yes.
Let's see if Megalodon can knock over all of the cans. Whoa! He did that great! And this is our remote control Shark Monster Truck. And this isn't the only one we have. We also have the Fire and Ice Megalodon. Let's stack these back up and see how he does. 1, 2, 3, it's Monster Truck time! Woohoo! Pretty cool, you guys. Here is Megalodon. I love these monster trucks. The last one we have in this size is Monster Mutt. And he is a lot of fun. We're going to turn him on right there. And woohoo! Look at that. So, you have seen our 3 small remote control monster trucks. Let's go up to the next size. We have El Toro and Gravedigger in the next size. Are you ready to see El Toro Loco? Look at that. He's a lot bigger. And he is ready to go. And this is the remote for El Toro Loco. And then here is our little die-cast El Toro Loco. And he can sit back here, and he's ready to go for a ride. All right, Big Daddy El Toro, let's go. We're going to Monster Jam. Woohoo! But we even have the Gravedigger. Look at this. And it's a remote control car. Let's see if we can get him out of the box and I'll show him to you. Here we go. Where's Gravedigger? Oh, that's awesome. Look at that. And this is the Gravedigger remote control car. But you want to know what? He looks big, doesn't he? We have one bigger than this. And I can't wait to show him to you. We're going to drive him around and drive the Mega Gravedigger. Here's the Mega Gravedigger's tire. Look at that! It's gigantic! I can't wait to drive him around. But I still have some more toys to show you, so let's keep going. We found some really cool Monster Jam toys made by K'NEX. And you actually get to build your Monster Jam monster truck, kind of like Legos. Look at this, and you can put them together. And we have this Blue Thunder monster truck. And then we also have, guess who? Bum, 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 Gravedigger. And we have Maximum Destruction. And these are all toys that you can build and put together. I cannot wait to do a video and show these to you. It is going to be a lot of fun. But you know what? I am so excited. Let's go ahead and get Blue Thunder out just because I am so excited to show it to you. And, oh, look at that. We've got tires. Oh, those are really neat. We've got instructions. Those are important so we know how to put our vehicle together. And then we've got some pieces. Oh, this is so cool. We get to put him together, and it looks like we even get to put his stickers on. All right, well, I've got some little helpers here with me, and I've got a buddy here who is exceptionally good at putting together Legos, and he's going to help me, and we're going to get this together. Blue Thunder is all put together. Whoa! That was a lot of fun using our Connects Build It set and putting Blue Thunder together. You can see how you have the driver inside like this. And he has his helmet on and he's ready to go to Monster Jam. We put the tires together and then you can take this and you can snap it back on just like that. And in the back of the truck, and we put all the stickers on, and now he is ready to go. But you know what? I have so many other toys to show you, so we better keep going. And we still have to check out the gigantic Monster Jam Gravedigger. So let's keep going. Woohoo! One of the last things I'm going to show you before we go out and try all these remote control cars is our Hot Wheels monster truck playsets. These are so cool and they come with some really neat monster trucks. This is the twin mill monster truck with the twin mill race car. And this is the epic loop challenge. Whoa! That is going to be so much fun to check out. But we have some more play sets. Look at this. We have the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Mecha Shark Face Off. Whoa! That shark looks hungry. Crash head to head and escape the shark. Can you escape the shark? We'll find out when we do a video of this awesome play set. Here's the shark. And you can see the two trucks crash in the middle. But who's gonna get eaten? Pretty neat. And then we have an actual Monster Jam playset. Whoa, that is crazy. It's the Grim Takedown with Gravedigger. Right here you can see how it has a launcher and you launch forward and come up here and he's laughing. Whoa, it looks like he lights up and makes sounds. And over here, we can tell a little bit what's going on. Let's take a closer look. Here is the launcher with Gravedigger. And down here, it shows Gravedigger going and hitting Grim. Who's gonna win? And right here, it looks like Gravedigger wins. Whoa, this playset is really, really cool looking. So there is the Monster Jam Grim Takedown. And keep an eye on our channel, Growing Little Ones for Jesus, because we will be doing videos of those real soon. The last thing I'm going to show you before we go play with the remote control cars is the Monster Jam Monster Dirt Arena. And you actually can put kinetic sand in here and drive around in an arena just like a real Monster Jam. And it comes with Max D, Maximum Destruction. And there are some of the cool things you can do with this set. And we have all sorts of little monster trucks that would be great for playing in this playset. So, now that you've seen all of our monster truck toys, let's get those remote control cars out and start having fun. We're outside. It's raining, but that didn't stop us. We still brought our monster trucks here. Who's first? Oh, look at that! It's Megalodon and he's headed out in the rain. Oh no! Who's the next one we have? Look at that! It's El Toro! And the one you've been waiting for! Gravedigger! Look how big he is! Oh, he's gonna run you over! Whoa! Oh, we've got a rat going here. Got you. Uh-oh. I'm gonna climb right over you if you don't watch it.
I can escape.
Can you go backwards? Uh-oh, it's a three-way crash.
I might need some help.
There you go. Oh, he's already getting in a wreck. Oh, he's running over Megalodon. Running brother over. Oh! Poor Megalodon. You know what? Megalodon was tired of getting run over by Gravedigger, so he found a friend to help him. Waha! All right, Gravedigger, you better watch out. Here we come. Now Gravedigger's on the run. Where you going, Gravedigger? Oh, crash and burn. Gravedigger got it. Oh, crash and burn. It's like bumper cars in here. Here comes Megalodon. There he goes. Oh! Uh-oh. He may not survive. Oh! Oh, is he still alive? He's still alive! Uh-oh, El Toro Loco, you better look out! Poor El Toro. Uh-oh. I had so much fun showing you all of these cool toys, and taking Gravedigger outside was amazing. I loved sharing all of our remote control Monster Jam toys with you. Now, make sure you check out Growing Little Ones for Jesus. That's our toy channel, and we will be doing videos soon of all of these monster truck play sets. It's gonna be awesome. So check out our channel, hit the subscribe button down below, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks, everyone. Bye.